Hello everybody, I'm with my brother Tim Maguire today. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
So we were in the Makua Festival, I think 3 or 2 weeks ago, and it was incredible to meet him, to meet some artists, to be part of this festival. And today I'm with my brother to make some videos and to talk about more about him and his company. But Tim, how do you feel about the Makua Festival first?
For me, man, it was just kind of a indescribable feeling.
Yeah.
I've been a fan of Malagasy music and Malagasy artists for a really long time, and so to be in one place, seeing all of my favorite artists like walking by and being near to them, and then having the chance to interview them, and then beyond the interviews, actually talk with them and
Yes.
and get to understand where they come from and their personality. It was a moment I had to pinch myself, like,
Yes.
how did I
To
get
realize.
here? Yeah. Based on where I come from, to be all the way over here in Madagascar with some of the biggest names, having a chance to meet with them, it was amazing. And just the festival as a whole, in my opinion, is just top quality.
Yes.
And it's only the first edition, in
Yes.
Tamatave. So it's really inspiring to see what the dream of Shine come true,
Yes,
and
come
all
true,
the
yes.
support, Denise and his wife and all the other supporters that have made it possible. And so just to play my part was really special, bro.
And your concept is very interesting because you challenge the artists, the people to try to speak English. It's give another point of view
Yeah.
for all the people. It's your reels are very interesting, and it's very fun too.
Yeah, I mean, there's been some discussions in the past about how can we bring Malagasy music to the world, and to bring music to the world, then you have to go to America,
Yeah.
and naturally I'm from America, so
Yes.
those conversations have come up, and so this whole English concept just was like, how can we make some kind of connection for
Yeah,
English
yes.
speakers, with those Malagasy artists. How can we make them relatable? We don't really want Malagasy music to need to change. Like the Malagasy language, as Shine says, is so beautiful. But if people can understand the backgrounds and where these artists are coming from, I think they can actually relate to the music, even
Yes.
if they don't speak
Automatically
Malagasy.
go to
Exactly.
listen the music. Oh, it's very cool.
Yeah.
It's very cool. And Tim, people, they are focused on your videos about artists, but I know you as the CEO of Touroneplanet, because Touroneplanet is your enterprise. So I want to focus on this because sometimes people forgot that you have your business, So can you tell me more about Touroneplanet, just in a few words?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Touroneplanet is a social business, and our objective is to create the access that local communities need to determine their own outcomes of tourism.
Okay.
So, we want the money that is spent by tourists to travel here
Yeah.
for their vacations. We want that money to be utilized and accessed by local communities because one, this gives a great opportunity for these local communities to develop
Yes.
in the way that they choose. But at the same time, the greatest, I think the greatest resource for tourism in Madagascar is not the beaches, the sunsets, the maki. It's the people, and so
It's the experience.
Exactly, the
in
experience,
the place.
the culture that you have with people. So.
So like you enter in immersion in the culture, the real culture of Malagasy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You have those opportunities. So our product, the first product we've launched, Touroneplanet.com, is an online marketplace where freelancers and professionals in the tourism space can provide services, experiences, and sell those experiences directly to foreigners. And
Yes.
it's a big thing because foreigners, we like to just spend our money online, in a card, and it's so hard to do that anywhere here in Madagascar. So we've kind of engineered that system, and so in doing that, we're creating that access for those local communities to the global marketplace.
Yes, all the people win in your business.
Exactly.
I understand, because the foreigner can pay easily in your site touroneplanet.com, and after the local vendors can take profit of that. So it's very good initiative for us and for Madagascar too.
And just as an example, like as you mentioned, on the platform, those who are using our platform, let's say they have a service that they want to offer, and they're offering this service with the traditional method, or with Touroneplanet. Traditional method being, working with a local agency or something like that.
Yes.
On our platform, that service, they're going to earn 4.5 and even sometimes 5 times more with Touroneplanet, because we've cut out so many of the intermediaries, and it's a much more direct process. So that's really the value that we're offering.
Okay, no, it's a very cool team. It's very interesting, and guys, I invite you to check Touroneplanet, to check his site and to support him, because he need that support, and it's be good for Malagasy, for the economy of Malagasy, and for the social too. So I'm very happy for you, Tim.
Thank you.
And I hope that you can develop your business here, and to stay cool like this,
try, man. Listen,
and to speak Malagasy too.
That's the next. That's just the 2 things. One, with Touroneplanet, this is a project that this is a project that's being developed here. This is a Malagasy project. Yes, I'm clearly Vaza, but at the end of the day, I was inspired by the people here, and so I want Touroneplanet to be something that local people feel proud of, because it's theirs, it's for them, by them, and wouldn't be possible without them. So that's the essence of Touroneplanet. So when you say needing support, yes, it's your project. So Touroneplanet can go as far as all people here in Madagascar take it. And the other thing about the Malagasy part, yes, so many of the artists, speaking English, and even the ones who spoke French or Malagasy, they still understood my questions. So it really reminded me that I must become more fluent in Malagasy. So this is the next big personal project for me. So wish me luck. If you know of any good teachers out there, let me know.
Because for the next video, I want Tim to speak Malagasy fluently. Why not? Because I made this video in English, so next time it will be in Malagasy. Why not?
Okay. Okay.
So it's very cool, Tim, and see you
bro.
next time.
Thank you. And keep up the great work, bro.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Thank you.
What you're doing.
See you guys.
See you guys. Peace.